Hi guys, welcome back to our channel 11 Explore. This is Nikki. So today we are going to be reviewing an item that we got from our new sponsor Tesloid. Thank you for sending us this item. So this one is the FRUNK luggage set for Model Y. We will share the link of the item on the description down below along with our discount code. I will show you guys first how these items look. So this is again a vegan leather for the front space of your Model Y. And this is actually his and hers, but in my world it's hers and hers. I'm just kidding, baby. All right, guys, so I will be showing you guys how many items that you can fit here. So I have 3 or 4 jackets here, okay? So by the way, this is again vegan leather, very sturdy. It has shoulder padded straps as well. Okay, and it also has a laptop sleeve. So I just put 3 here, 3 jackets. Let's do 4. And I'll put a laptop here. This is actually very sturdy. I can't wait to use it for when we travel. And I believe you can also do this for like air travel. It looks like you can use it as your carry-on or your personal item. So this is how it looks. You can carry it this way or your shoulder. I will actually not use it for air travel, guys, because it's a little bit big, right? Look. Oh, it goes like this. Oh, cool, right? All right, this is hers, and this is hers again. Hers and hers, I'm telling you guys. So this is a thick jacket. I'm just gonna put here. Let me have an idea of how it looks. And let's put an iPad or laptop here. All right. How cool is that? I actually like it. All right. And this is how it looks, guys. Look. All right, guys, so I'll show you how it fits in the frunk for our Model Y. This is so big, but it's cool. Dirty car. Hers and hers. Let's see. So it fits very well, guys. I think all right, guys, I put it the other way, so it actually fits like this. See how well it fits? And it's very sturdy, leather, very smooth. Just kidding. And you're not wasting your space. And by the way, you still have a lot of space here, so you can fill it up with more stuff. Let's close it. All right. Boom. All right. And it's perfect. All right, guys. So we're very excited to use this for our road trip. I believe it can actually fit even for not just a weekend trip, but like for a few days. So you have plenty of space here. And like I said, it's vegan leather, so it's very sturdy. Has padded shoulder straps and hers and hers. So again, we will share the description of the item down below and along with our discount code. Thank you again, Tesloid, for sending us this item, and we are very excited to use it. Thank you for watching.